My name is Carly Borelli, and I'm going to be talking about the art period of Surrealism. The Persistence of Memory was a painting created in 1931 by Salvador Dali, and is a good representation of art from the Surrealist movement. This picture gives off a dreamlike quality because it is not something that a person would see in real life. The cliffs represent the authentic parts of dreams, the mild colors add to the effect of a dream, and the strange subject matter, which would be the melting clocks and weird figure, are an excellent example of art from this time because art from then was odd. The fine detail on the ants and 3D box represent hyperrealism, which was a common style artists used at this time. Sigmund Freud's theories of dreams and the unconscious helped to inspire Surrealism. Artists used some of the same techniques to create their art that Freud and psychoanalysts used to get subconscious thoughts from their patients. They believed that creativity was located in the subconscious, and work from there was more genuine than work that was a result of conscious ideas, according to MUS learning. Pieces were often motivated by dreams, and artists did not have an idea of the final product in their head when they began to create their artwork. Automatism was used to create artwork. According to MUS learning, automatism is involuntary actions not under control of conscious mind. Work from then was hyper-realistic, which means it was very detailed and made the work seem very real. Music. According to Surrealist music, early Surrealists did not like music, and they believed that paintings had their own. Eventually, they created music. No Cien No. 1 by Eric Satie is a good example of Surrealist music because it is hypnotic, the relaxed tempo adds to the hypnotic effect, and it contains unique sounds that were not found in other art periods. Freedom of Love was a poem written by Andre Breton and contained dreamlike imagery, was detailed, and contained bizarre subject matter that was just like paintings from the Surrealist movement. Famous artists from the Surrealist movement are Andre Breton, not pictured, Antonin Artaud, pictured to the right, Joan Miro, pictured in the middle, Salvador Dali, not pictured, and Pablo Picasso, pictured to the left. World War II made people fear the world was in a catastrophe state even more than it was before, according to Surrealism Concepts and Styles. Surrealist artists helped spread Surrealism by moving to the Americas. World War II ended, and the movement began to decline. It was replaced by existentialism and abstract expressionism, which used some Surrealist ideas but was more logical. In conclusion, works of art created during this period gave off a hypnotic feeling of dreaming, and the strange subject matter separated this style from any other. And here are my sources.